Right, Wednesday night, night 3 of 5 continuous nights of coin hunts. This Territories coin is probably the best coin I find tonight. Okay, so it's Wednesday, third video of the week. We've got the 50 quid left over from the first bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And I've got to open the second bag and get out another £50. So there we go, that. And just at random, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Okay, let's get straight into this one. Okay, so first bag. Just a little quick recap. Monday night, I found a very nice Newton. There we go, nice. Need it for the book, fantastic. It sort of got a bit better yesterday, Tuesday, because I found a Olympic football. Well, I've found them before, so yeah, it's great to see, but meh. And then I found my first ever 2020 shield, and I've been looking for one of them for a long time. So if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you know I've been looking for a 2020 shield, so I finally found one. And now on Wednesday night, amazingly, I've just found a dictionary. Yeah, a dictionary. Yeah, rubbish. Anyway, crack on, and hopefully tonight we find another amazing coin and not too many more bunnies. That's number 3 for the week. Another Paddington at the Cathedral. That's number 2 for the week. What else we got? There we go. Well, at least I didn't start with a bus bag tonight, eh? Right, number 2. So this is either going to be a Potter, or could it be a 2017 shield? Low mintage year, so always nice to find. Probably going to be a Potter, isn't it? There we go. Peter Rabbit, the Tales of Peter Rabbit, 2017, next to me Benjamin Bunnies. Oh, another 2017. Another Benjamin Bunny. Number 4. 2018. What's this going to be? People's Act? Hey, it's Paddington at Paddington Station. That is my favourite Paddington. There we go, with a train. Nice one. So we can finally start building Paddington Corner. There we go. A 2020 again. Let's have a look. Hoping for another shield. It's a diversity. Number 2 for the week. Oh, very nice. Just when I was thinking I'm going to get another bust bag. We get a jersey. There we go. I was a little bit worried, thinking I wouldn't have a star find for tonight. But that jersey will do. It is a 2006. Very nice. We shouldn't find them in the UK or in England, the mainland UK. Great Britain. But we do from time to time. Welcome finds. Okay. Last bag. And like I say, I was getting worried I wouldn't have a star find to finish this video. So, but for now, the jersey, 2006 50p coin will do. Certainly not going to give it to the diversity coin. Star find. I mean, obviously, isn't it funny? You get so excited about finding a new coin, and then after a while, it's like, yeah, whatever. Blase. But this is gonna, oh no, another diversity. And there we go, shield and a dropped Britannia and a drop shield to finish. There we go, off to one side. Cool. There we go. Newton football shield jersey. Nice one. See you tomorrow. Oh no, knocked me bunnies over. Okay, it's the fourth night. We did just find an Olympic, so fantastic. And it's a top tier Olympic. We're doing amazingly well this week.